What's up, everybody? Bringing you another garden update. Welcome back to New Garden Road, where I share my love of gardening with you in a way that I hope will inform, inspire, and elevate you. Alright, this is real cool right here. I got these corn seeds sprouted. Been about a week since they came up. And what I did here in this raised bed, I made some furrows. I'm gonna dirt these corn plants up as they grow. They're gonna grow pretty big and tall. I wanna keep those stable, so what I like to do is dirt them up. So I made some furrows, a few inches deep, and then I planted my seeds. And now they sprouted, and naturally with some rain the furrows have filled in a little bit, but once they get about 6 inches tall, I'm gonna take some of the soil here and push it up against the base of these little corn plants, and that's gonna help stabilize them. In the meantime, I do have my wire covering over this bed. I don't know if you've seen my tips for planting green beans video, but I talk about this wire helps keep these feral cats out of my beds. All right, got me some good old green beans sprouted. 1 per square foot. Loving it. Once again, the Tuscan cantaloupe back in the house, growing in the raised bed. The bulbing onions are just massive, looking real good. Starting to swell up down there. All right, there we go. Got some long beans going, some green and some red. Will give me a big old trellis going. Carrots and beets still rocking, kicking the root down. All right, how about these cucumbers? Jump in. Here we go, my big old stand of garlic that I planted last October. Got some volunteer poppies as well. Gotta thin those bad boys out. Don't want them hogging the nutrients, but had to let the show go on, you know what I'm saying? One more round of head lettuce coming my way. This is the Marvel of 4 Seasons. Real delicious. Oh yeah, check it out. Got my Tatume squash sprouting. Very resistant to the squash vine borer. Grow this every season. It'll run 15, 20 feet. Some more zinnias planted in here too. Gotta plant the ornamental with the edible. Get your beneficial insects going. How about the progress on these potatoes? Looking real good. Real good. Oh yeah, watermelon time. 4 varieties of watermelon. Ooh wee, I can't wait. So I wasn't even really feeling that great when I got up this morning. Tell you what though, I came outside and it was, about mid-50s, nice and cool. Took one look at my garden and completely filled up with joy. I'm just so proud of this garden. It's so special to me to be able to have this place, a little patch of earth where I can grow some food and just live authentically, be myself, learn about myself, and I feel like it helps me be a better person. Yeah, so I just wanted to share that little thought with you because I was so excited and so full of positive energy this morning just from coming outside and looking at my garden. You can grow your own garden. You can manifest this on whatever scale is practical for you. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing, because I love it and I want to share it with you, and I hope that some of you out there will find a way or can relate to it and get to a similar place, because I know a lot of us need that. Life's always challenging, and so is gardening, but clearly it's awesome. Good thing I still got my fennel growing. I was gonna harvest some fennel bulbs, but then I saw all these guys and said, okay, I give to nature. Nature gives to me. Yeah. Chowing down. Swallowtail Factory. Hey, what's up guys? What are you getting into today? A little bit of fennel? Maybe take a nap later? This guy doing sun salutations or what? Check it out, y'all. Straight up raised bed garden surgery going on right now. Garden restructuring. Fixing up these raised beds. Love me some raised beds. Still got some crops in there. Isn't that crazy? These were originally 4x4s. Now they're 4x8s. Yeah, alright, this guy right here was a 4x4 raised bed. I got that extended. I tilled the subsoil real good. Save those flowers. I got these black swallowtail caterpillars munching on my fennel over there. Been having that on the regular, and I've been noticing the black swallowtails, they are feeding, the adults are feeding off these flowers right here. So I decided to save them. No big deal. Got that done. And I'm gonna plant some sweet potatoes in this bed. Should be plenty of room for that. And I can leave the flowers in there for the butterflies. That's cool. Finally got my citrus babies out of their greenhouse for the winter. We had a real cold start to March, so I left those guys in a little bit longer. It was even real cold to start this April. But I got them out now, and when I brought them out, I'm not joking, 95% of them were fully in bloom. Citrus is my baby. It's one of my favorite things to grow. Love my citrus trees, y'all. Alright, good times in the garden here, y'all. Got about a ½ inch of rain last night. Getting it growing. I hope you enjoy these garden updates. I hope you get something out of it. Just wanted to let you know what's going on, what I've been working on. Working real hard, trying to get some stuff growing. You know, I planted a lot of stuff it's gonna really spread. And these watermelons and these squash and the sweet potatoes that I'm gonna put in, it's gonna take over, along with the corn and the okra and some of the trellises that I'm gonna do for the lawn beans and the cucumbers. It's really gonna be like a jungle. It just changes the feel outside. The garden looks completely different. Some of the elements kind of disappear, and I just feel really immersed in nature. I'm lucky enough that I've got a backyard like this that I can grow in. I'm just gonna try to take full advantage. Whatever level you can create a garden on, just go for it. Keep practicing, keep going. You're gonna learn something every time you do it. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some tips, and I hope you're inspired to get out there in the garden and grow something. Stay tuned to New Garden Road for some more garden updates coming at you. Please leave me a question or comment below, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to my page. Happy gardening, y'all.